Pilipino.
Shame on you, Claire, anti-Claire.
Ninyo ang kwarta sa flood control.
Shame on you, anti-Claire, anti-Claire.
Please, please, bring the money to the Filipino people. We have a big flood control project come right now.
I think we can hear you without that.
Kapal ng mukha.
You can film all you want, no problem, but they put freedom on you guys, just let them be you. You can film them all you want, no problem.
We are harmless, we just want to let them know.
Feel free to say whatever you want.
Oh, come on. Harassing? Look what you did in the Philippines.
No, we are not violent. We're pangit mo. Ang pangit mo. Putang ina 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 mo. Kamatay ka na sana. Kamatay ka na. Putang ina mo.
Be.
Ayan guys, umpisa na ang rally dito sa DDS Maisog, Vancouver. Nandito kami sa Canada Place mismo. So, please come join us. Alright, come and join us. Nag-gather lang kami ng mga tao. So, we'll be starting soon. Nandito lang kami sa mismong harap ng Canada Place. Wala kami sa baba ng consulate. Okay, again, wala kami sa baba ng consulate. Maglalakad kami ngayon papunta para mag-rally. Ayan, ayan. That is from Vancouver, BC. Marcos Addict. There you go. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ito lahat yung mga karatula na dala nila ang issue sa Pilipinas. Ayan, oh. Yan yung mga issue na pinagrarally ng mga tao dito. Bakit ayaw nila kay Marcos? Ito ang dahilan. Basahin niyo po kung ano yung mga nandyan. Yan yung mga issue kung bakit nagkaroon ng rally dito. Rally sa Vancouver, British Columbia, calling for Marcos to resign. Marcos, the bangag president of the Philippines. Ayan. Ayan, mga kababayan, halina kayo. Andyan sila ngayon, yung bangag, nandyan sila yan, Marcos at saka yung mga pro-Marcos, nandyan sila ngayon. Ayan. Halina kayo, nandito na kami. Mag-umpisa na, malapit na mag-umpisa. 3 o'clock ang usapan. Nasaan na kayo? Habol-habol mga kapatid. Habol-habol. Oh, ayan. Ang daming nagpupunta dito. Ayan. Marcos resign. Ayan. Akin na asan yung nabibol din? Habol lang kayo, habol mga kapatid. Habol mga kapatid. Nandito lang kami. Ayan, nandito lang kami mga kapatid, habol. Rally sa Vancouver, British Columbia, calling for Marcos, Mr. Marcos to resign. We don't want you here. Go back. At gawan mo ng paraan yung problema mo sa Pilipinas. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Ready na ba lahat? Magparit kami. Sino maiwan dyan?
Kaya na lang natin yung shot natin. Yun na lang.
Ha?
Yung shot natin. Yun na lang.
Ano?
Yung Marcos na lang.
Okay, sige. Oh, may English version kami noon. Hindi mo alam ano? Okay. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Sino yung nag-ano? Talaga pumunta si Ate doon? Okay. O maglalakad naman tayo. Okay. Follow. Okay. Wait lang. Mauna ang ano. Ayan. Okay. Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Sigaw ng Pilipino. Marcos resign. 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 Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Sigaw ng Pilipino. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sigaw ng Pilipino. Marcos resign. Sigaw ng Pilipino. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! 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 Go back to the other side! Let's go! Tawid tayo! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! 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 Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! 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 Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Sigaw ng Pilipino! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos!
Pumapasok na nakabarong, nakapilipinyana, mahiya naman kayo. Kasama kami sa nagbayad niyan. Taxes namin yan. Mabalita ka. Walang siya. Sabi ni
Marcos kapal mukha! Marcos kapal mukha! Marcos kapal mukha! Marcos kapal mukha! Marcos kapal mukha!
Yes, ako din, Allen, bro.
Marcos, why are we here? Okay, why are we here?
They will put us in jail. They will put us in jail. So I'm so happy that you guys are letting us go. We have a speech right here because our president of the Philippines is really suppressing everybody's rights. Thank you to the police officer for this that you're giving us a chance to speak.
Shame on you! Marcos! Shame on you! Shame on you! Marcos! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Private property. Sir, yes, they are still there in your private property. Sir, they are still there. We have to abide the law. Alright. Okay, the government has to say on board that administration is our money.
So you know, we follow the law, we follow the rules, but they allow the other group to go closer to the hotel. What the heck? Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you!
Sa mahalin ng accommodation dito sa Canada. Hindi ka lang kayo nahiya. To everyone that is watching that are not Filipino, we are being like this because our president is corrupt and is getting all our families to have a lavish lifestyle. Where all the Filipinos are not having a
Naubos na yung boses mo. Wala ka ng boses. Ubos na yung boses mo. Naubos. Itaas niyo yung mga ano nyo, mga placard. Bring up your placards para makita ng mga tao. Bring up your placards. Bring it up. Marcos, resign. President Isaac. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Okay lang kayo. Marcos, resign. 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 Hey, sir! Why are you not letting them get away? Nakita ko kaya? Ayan, ayan yung yes! Buti nga! Buti nga sa inyo kayo ng pulis! Kick them out! Kick them out! Kick them out! Kick them out! Buti nga! Kick them out! Okay lang sa inyo! Yung pamilya nyo sa Pilipinas! Get them out! Get them out! Get them out! Get them out! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Yan ang tabak ng Marcos! Mga bastos! Mga bastos! Tabak! Marcos! Bend the law! Yan yung mga tao na mga pro-Marcos na hindi marunong maggalang sa rules and regulations. Ayan ang mga yan. Kumalang sa rules. Kami, nung sinabihan kami na umalis agad kami. Mga bangag na din! Walang alam sa rules and regulations. Bingi, bangag. Oh, ayun. Ganon ka, bangag. Mga ate, para pila na lang tayo ng pila. Wow! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Kayo na lang ang natitirang bobo! Kayo na lang ang Okay, let's continue. Marcos, resign! Go!
Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign!
Marcos, resign!
Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Let's daw Marcos Pagkanaw.
One! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Nakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos, magnanakaw!
Yan, mga buaya din. Marcos
Magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Ano ba? Ay, okay.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. In case you're wondering about yung Pinoy don't understand what we're doing, we're trying to protest against our corrupt president. He is very corrupt. He's not helping the Filipinos, but he is having a lavish vacation here. We are paying taxes to this government, and they're just using it to stay in Fairmont Hotel and travel to Vancouver, the beautiful British Columbia. If we will do this in the Philippines, we will be in jail. King of corruption, Marcos, resign!
Marcos,
corruption,
Marcos, resign! King of corruption! 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 Marcos, resign! Magnanakaw! Marcos, resign! Marcos, resign! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Marcos, magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Bangag! Bangag! Ito, bangag! Napuno ang ilong! Napuno ang ilong! Bangag! Bangag! Napuno ang ilong! Napuno ang ilong! Bangag! 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 Si Marcos ay adik! Si Marcos has okay!
Bakit walang ABS-CBN?
Marcos bangag! Marcos bangag! Bangag na bangag!
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you for using the Filipino money just to go around the world. While Filipinos, the flood is there again. And you are not helping any Filipino, you're helping yourself. Shame on you!
Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame magnanakaw! Marcos, Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos, Marcos magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos, Marcos. Oh my God, wala na akong boses. We love Philippines, but we do not love our president. We have a president that is bangag. We have a president that is the biggest thief in our country. Yeah, huh? Okay. Yes, okay. Marcos, these people here are fed up with Marcos. We deserve better Philippines. We deserve better president. We don't want Marcos here. We need the explanation with all the money that you steal from people. Marcos, resign. Isa lang ang sinisigaw namin dito. Marcos, resign. We don't want you anymore. Get up. Okay. Kick them out! Marcos, resign! 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 Okay.
For any Filipinos that is joining President Marcos on top Fairmont Hotel dinner, please remember, we're paying taxes. We pay for that dinner. We pay for the Fairmont Hotel. He's not the one paying for it. It's the Filipino people. It's our taxes. Shame on you.
Shame on you! Galit na yung mga tao. Wala na kaming ano, live ya.
Marika, ito na yung ano mo, mga tauhan mo dito.
About effort that you need to do your research. You are mad.
Nabilaong ka na si Marcos! Nabilaong ka na si Marcos! Nakakakain sa pira ng bayan! Yes! Bangag! Itaas mo yan, te, para makita yung maayos. Correct! Marcos resign! Marcos, ate! Marcos resign!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Walang sound.
Affiliation representative Canada Filipino citizens here in Canada. You know, Marcos is the worst president in the Philippines right now.
Yeah!
He sold the international airport, the only international airport in the Philippines. He sold it. There are international airport. There are more government buildings. He's gonna sell it. He is a corrupt. He is an addict. He's a traitor. He's a thief. Like father, like son, and the grandson too, and the wife. They are both traitor in this in Philippine people. They sold us to grab our money. Our money, they grab it. You people, where is your blood? Where is your puso? Ang kayo mga Pilipino natin, ano puso nyo? Hindi nyo alam na kurap ang amo nyo? Mga lese kayo.
Yawa kayo! Yes! Yes, ate! Good job! Good job! Okay, alam mo, mas maganda to. One by one. Para may salita. Dito, nakita ba? Ano yung malakas? Yung malakas.
We are protesting here to urge the Canadians and the Prime Minister of Canada to stop giving loans to the Philippine president under the administration of Bongbong Marcos. The money will not go to the people. It will just go to the pockets of the corrupt officials in the Philippines. We implore you, please. I hope
Marcos resign! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Magnanakaw si Marcos! Marcos si Marcos! Si Marcos! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Marcos magnanakaw! Magnanakaw! Bumaba na! Buhaya! 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 Hala, may pera na yun. Malita yun eh. May pera daw dala. Malita. Ang bumaba sa isang Anong malita? Pera na yan. Ang bayan. Pera ng bayan ang ginastos ng parte ng mga bangag na to. Okay. Baka maano kayo. Marcos, we deserve better president. Step down, Marcos. Step down, bangag. We don't need you. Marcos magnanakaw. Marcos magnanakaw. Marcos magnanakaw. Magnanakaw si Marcos. Diyan sila nakatira. Diyan magpaparty ang mga bangag. Diyan ang party nila. Diyan nila uubusin ang pera natin. Nandyan dinala ang pera natin sa hotel na yan. Diyan ngayon ang party ng bangag. Ang gamit ng pera ng bayan, nandyan ang bangag ngayon. Ang bangag na Marcos. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on the rap. Marcos the rap. Ang kapal ng mukha nyo. Ang kapal-kapal ng mukha nyo. Mga walang hiya kayo. Marcos kurap. Marcos kurap. Ang kakapal ng mukha nyo. Gamit kayo ng perang hindi sa inyo. Pera ng bayan ang sinasalsal nyo. Wala kayong hiya. Samantalang ang buong bayan sa Pilipinas naghihirap. Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Marcos, shame on you! Nagdala ka ng kahiyan dito sa Canada. Nagdala ka ng kahiyan sa Vancouver. Tinahiya mo ang mga Pilipino. You do not deserve to be here. Go back to the country. Fix the problem. Walang hiya ka. Nag-i-enjoy ka dyan sa pera ng bayan. Magkanong per plate ngayon dyan sa hotel na yan? Isole nyo ang pera namin. Kami po ay isang taxpayer money. We deserve to know where the money goes. You resign, Marcos. We don't need you. The Filipino people deserve better. Not you. You resign. Ang sigaw ng taong bayan. You resign. Resign, Marcos. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. Marcos resign. What have you done to our country? Ever since na umupo ka dyan, you sat in the office, you have not done anything to the country. Instead, you steal a lot of money from the Filipino people. Where are our money goes? Where is the flood control? Marcos, you have no shame at all. You are not welcome here. We do not welcome you. As a Filipino, we do not welcome you here in Vancouver. You have to go back to... Mr. Marcos, how much per plate now in your party? The party king and the party queen is in Vancouver. How could you do that to the Filipino people? Where are the money? Where
deserve better president. We do not want you anymore. Please resign, resign. All the Filipino wants is you resign. Resign, Marcos. Marcos, resign. You have so much issue in yourself. Please explain it to me. Explain it to us. Why did you not go for drug hair follicle test? We want drug hair follicle test. If you're not drug user, why don't you go for hair follicle test? We want you to go for hair follicle test. If you are not guilty, that's no problem at all. You should go for hair follicle test. Drug hair follicle test. You are known as everybody says you are a drug user. Now, prove it to us that you're not a drug user. Go for drug hair follicle test. You resign. We do not deserve you. We the Filipino people deserve a better president. Not you. You, Marcos, resign. Resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Marcos, resign. Now, let's kantahin natin ang paboritong kanta ng Pilipino. Marcos, Marcos, magnanakaw. Marcos, Marcos, magnanakaw. Marcos, Marcos, magnanakaw. Magnanakaw si Marcos. Marcos, Marcos is a thief. Marcos, Marcos is a thief. Marcos, Marcos is a thief.